This home is $262,000 in Dominican Republic, and it has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a pool, a jacuzzi in the main bedroom, and there is nothing in the US you could actually get for this price. Let's just go right into it, guys, because I am so excited to show you guys this house. First, we're gonna go into this little area for relaxing, but not just that, I almost forgot, this right here is a parking spot area that fits about 5 cars. 5 cars. It is absolutely insane, okay? Now let's walk inside the house so I can show you inside the house properly. In here, we're gonna have the first living room. You heard me right, the first living room, because there are 2 living rooms in this house, okay? And as you can see, it's a very good fine decor, kind of like a little oldish, but it is nice and it is very pretty. Now over here, we have the first half bathroom, which is right here. It's a little bathroom for visitors because I don't know about you, but I'd rather people have a little bathroom to use rather than go inside of my personal bathroom. And then over here, we have the living room area, which is very nice. And over here, we have the terrace, which is right here. You're gonna see the owner and also Lidia actually helping me right here. And over here, guys, we're gonna walk into the pool before I actually show you the kitchen, okay? Here, you can actually see this beautiful pool and the outside area. But come closer, because over here, the owner has actually made a sort of garden out of the whole thing, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, you have this whole garden area, you have plantains, you have everything you need. And here, you have permanent water. So you don't have to worry about the water actually going away. No, there's a well digged on the earth and you have water 24/7. And you also have inverters in case the power actually goes out. And here, if you like parties and you want to do something like that, you also have a little sound system here if you want to throw a party and you want to have like a pool thing. I'm not a party guy, but if you want to do that, you can do that, okay? Now let's go into the kitchen area so you can actually see it, okay? Over here, we actually have the kitchen. Now for me, like the kitchen is almost like an entire house, okay? It's massive, it's big. I mean, I'm right here. The first kitchen we see, boom. Over here, boom. It's a big kitchen. Now, usually when you buy a home like this, you're going to need help to take care of it, okay? So over here, we have the maid quarters, which is actually a personal room for the maid. And you have some dogs back here because you need security. But over here, guys, this is the maid quarters. I've never seen one this pristine. Like, it is absolutely pretty good. It's awesome. And it has its own personal bathroom. Now, what people usually do is, as they age, because by the way, this is a 2-story house, and just wait until you see the second floor because you're not going to believe what you're going to see over there. But people usually have like a like a little space down here. When they get older, they don't want to walk up and they have like somewhere to sleep. But let's go upstairs, guys, because you're not going to believe what you're going to see. Let's make our way upstairs. You have this staircase. You have this pretty amazing design here with the windows to bring in some light. As you can see, guys, this is a concrete house, but you do have a lot of natural light coming inside, which is actually rare in Dominican Republic, but it's very awesome. Over here, you have the second living room. The second living room. And as you can see, guys, this space, this space is absolutely massive. I know I say that a lot, okay? But you have to believe me. This space right here is massive. And here, again, there is no light on here. This is all just natural light, all natural light. Now, I don't know, should I show you guys the master bedroom first? Or should I show you the other bedrooms? No, I'm gonna save the master bedroom for last because it does have a jacuzzi inside. But over here, you have a studio, which is a very nice studio. Check it out. Here you have a studio. You can actually make content, or for example, if you really wanted to, you can make this a bedroom. And there's AC in here. Every single room has AC, which is great. And you have sofas, you can sit on it if you want to. Now, let's go into the other bedrooms before I show you guys the master bedroom, which is literally a master bedroom. Here you have a bathroom. They all have bathrooms. Every single room here has bathrooms, which is actually good. No one needs to share or make a line or anything like that. Now, just so you guys know, every single bathroom also has hot water and also has cold water for everyone who likes to shower with cold water. You're gonna have AC, you're gonna have hot water. There's nothing here where you feel like you're living in a third world country. You have all the amenities you could possibly want. Here is the bedroom. It's a very good size. You can fit 2 beds, and you also have a closet space, which is, it's big, okay? It's a big space. Here, let's go into the second bedroom now. What? Oh, and you also have AC. My wife also points me to show you guys the AC because AC is very important for everyone. No one wants to get hot, but you don't need to get hot here. They have AC, okay? And here, you have another bathroom, which is a little bit more modern. And you have another bedroom, which, by the way, looking at it now, is basically like the same size. You just have, for example, a bigger size bed. A bed changes everything, okay? If you have like 2 other small beds, there's also, it can basically fit more beds in here, okay? So, and also the same closet design, which is really good. And also, don't forget, you also have an AC and a little ceiling fan. Now, guys, okay, it's time, okay? It's time. I'm gonna show you guys the master bedroom. You know, that word has never sat well with me because, like, what do you mean by master bedroom, okay? Like, is it really that big? It is. It is. I'm gonna show you. Oh, no. Before I show you, I'm actually gonna show you the balcony. This is the balcony. Check this out, okay? Here, I don't know if you guys can feel it, okay, but there is an amazing breeze that just comes in. You don't feel hot. There's nothing. The owner tells me he basically comes up here and he sleeps all the time because it's just that refreshing. You hear birds. You don't hear any noise. It's peaceful. It's nice. It's quiet. It's exactly what you should get when you're paying this much money, okay? You have a lot of safety and a lot of quiet. Now, be careful there. Here is the master bedroom. Guys, I mean, this is the master's bed? Check this out. This is amazing. This is massive. This is something you see like in a castle, like in a movie. And over here, you have a jacuzzi. A jacuzzi, okay? You have a jacuzzi inside of a bedroom, all right? This is, now you tell me in the US, where can you find something for $262,000 with this much space, this much lighting, and these many amenities? A pool, a garden, 5 parking spots, you just can't find it, okay? And over here, you have the closet area. I won't spend too much time here, but you have a closet area where you have his and her closet, and you have a very good bathroom space. It is gorgeous. And I almost forgot to mention, guys, but over here, can you guess what we have? We have a mango tree, which basically means you have an unlimited amount of mango trees whenever you actually want. And over here, you have the garden. I think these are peppers, if I'm not mistaken. And you have over here oregano. Basically, you can plant whatever you want here, okay? And you even have like little pine trees. And over here, there's something I have not seen in a Dominican home ever. You actually have, point the camera all the way up there. You see that? That's a gutter system here in Dominican Republic. You don't usually see that. But this gutter system is actually so efficient to the point where the water that comes from the gutter system is emptied out over here in this gallon, and then they grab that water and they use it to basically water the plants with rainwater. So nothing is wasted here. This is a beautiful home. I honestly can't believe it's only $262,000.
Here's the laundry room area. It's small, but it's good enough when you have people handling all your laundry and the propane tank outside, which is a safe thing to do. It's nice.
Now, this is Lidia, and if you guys want to buy a home like this or this exact home, this is the person that's actually going to help you here in Dominican Republic. I'm going to put all her contact information down below, and if you don't have access to be able to call to Dominican Republic, her directly, you can just download the WhatsApp app, add her as a contact, and then just text her or call her directly, and she's going to be available to you.
Hello, Como bien dijo Tommy, mi nombre es Lidia Soriano, desde República Dominicana, para servirle.
There you go. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. El micrófono de ella. Massive. Massive.